Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing the Model 3 cabin air filter for the Model 3. So these are the parts you absolutely need. You need the cabin air filter. There's two for the Model 3. I got these from the Tesla service center for about 40 bucks or so. And they're made in Germany and they're the originals, obviously. This is optional, but I recommend it just because this is a foam cleaner, so it gets rid of that Model 3 odor. So if you just change the cabin air filter, it's not necessarily going to get rid of that odor. So this is what Tesla recommends to use to get rid of that odor. And I bought two just in case if one wasn't enough. This is also optional, but makes life a lot easier. So this is the pry bar set, so I'm going to use this to get rid of the plastic clips, and this is the non-marring kind. Socket wrench, and I got the Torx bit socket set, but all you really need is the T20 and a flashlight just in case I need it. I really appreciate it if you guys took a second to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support, but let's get this installed and let's see if that smell actually goes away or not. Because we're gonna pop these out. Okay, so you want to take this out gently because it's connected. Kind of slide it forward. So you push this clip in and then pull this out. And so now it's just the speaker. Okay, so now we're gonna take this part off. So be careful when you put your finger here, because I cut it here. So just use the pry bar. Pry bar was easier. Okay, so we gotta take out this screw. Okay, so now move this stuff out of the way. You can take the wire out if you want. Up. This thing already comes assembled. Just gotta pop this on. Okay, so we're gonna pop this out. Looks like we got some spider neighbors. We'll clean this area as well while we're waiting for that 15 minutes to be over. So run this for 5 minutes. So we've been running the fan for about 5-6 minutes now, and you can see it's been leaking out, and we're ready to install the new filters. Okay guys, so make sure the T is facing up. Yellow side is towards you, white side is towards the front of the car. Okay. Okay, so here comes the fun part with the screw. Okay, so that one's bending up, this one's bending down. So slide this in, so you're gonna make sure this is latched, and holding this, you're gonna put the screw in. Easy peasy. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna tighten it hard. That's pretty much not moving. Put the wires back in and we should be golden. Okay, so that part's done. Need to pop this side piece in. Now we just need to make these connections and pop this back in. So connect this. You hear the click. You hear that click, light goes on. So this thing goes on this, and this slides on that, so this one slides here and this one slides here, so you kind of have to like slide it in and then push it up, and there it is. All right guys, so let's see if that smell went away. Yeah, it smells pretty good. It's that fresh scent, so yeah, it went away pretty good. So hopefully it'll last for a while. I'll probably replace the cabin air filter again next year around the same time, and I'll use that same spray, so I always have that fresh scent. I would say the whole process would take about 45 minutes to install. It took me longer obviously because I was filming and a few times I blocked the camera, so I had to like do a few retakes because of that. So, but if I wasn't filming, I would say about 45 minutes or so should be plenty to do this whole thing. So about 20 to 25 minutes to change the air filter, and another 20 minutes for the whole foam cleaner, because you have to wait 15 minutes after you spray it and another 5 minutes of running the fan. But it wasn't that difficult to do. It was more just like the weird angles, and you're kind of like lying down and stuff, and you don't need too many tools. And again, some of the tools I showed you guys were optional. So as always, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.